Welcome to Course 1, Basics of Due Diligence. Lesson 1, what is due diligence? Due diligence is the process of investigating and evaluating a person or organization before making a decision, usually related to financial transactions or partnerships. Think of due diligence like checking out reviews and ratings before buying a new video game or smartphone. You want to make sure you're making a good choice and not wasting your money. Lesson 2, why is due diligence important? Due diligence helps identify risk and avoid potential problems. Just like reading reviews helps you avoid buying a game that's buggy or not fun. It helps you make informed decisions and ensures that decisions are based on accurate and thorough information. This is where trust and safety come in. In the financial world, it helps banks and businesses build trust and ensure safety in their transactions. Lesson 3, steps in standard due diligence. Information gathering is one of the steps where you collect relevant information about a person or organization. Then, verification. This is where you check the accuracy of the information being gathered. Then, risk assessment. This is where you evaluate potential risks associated with a person or organization. And then, decision making. This is where you decide whether to proceed with the transaction or partnership based on the findings. So, that wraps up our lesson on due diligence. Remember, it's all about investigating and evaluating before making decisions, just like you would check out reviews before buying that video game. By understanding the importance of due diligence, you can avoid risks, make informed decisions, and build trust in your transactions. Next time you're faced with a decision, remember the steps involved in standard due diligence. Gather information, verify accuracy, assess risk, and make a decision based on your findings. Thanks for tuning in, and happy investigating.